Welcome to our YouTube channel Academy Ambala. Dear children, today we will start a new lesson. Lesson number 4. Houses we live in. In this chapter, you will be able to know about why we need to live in a house, different types of houses, materials used in making houses. A house is a place which is made for people to live in. The house in which we live in with our family is called our home. Our house protects us from heat, cold, rain, thunderstorm, etc. It also protects us from wild animals and thieves. There are basically two types of houses, Pucca House and Kutcha House. Pucca houses are made up of bricks, cement, iron rods and steel. These houses are also called permanent houses. The reason behind it is they are very strong and we cannot move these houses. As you can see in the picture, this multi-story building is called flat and the next one is bungalow. Children, as you can see in the picture, these houses are made up of wood, mud, straw and dry leaves. They are not very strong. That's why these houses are called temporary houses. Some people live at one place for a very short time. They build different types of houses that can be moved from one place to another. Gypsies live in houses on wheels called caravans. These can be moved from one place to another easily. Some people keep moving from one place to another in search of food, work or due to extreme climatic factors. In such cases, they make temporary houses. A house made of canvas is a tent. Many soldiers live in tents in their camp. Next one is houseboat. It is a floating house which is made up of wood. In Kashmir, many people live in houseboats. Houses are also made according to the climatic conditions of a particular place. A house made of snow or ice blocks is called an igloo. People who live in such houses are called Eskimos. Now, this is a picture of Stilt house. These kind of houses are found where it rains heavily and water is logged. People of such areas make wooden houses on stilts with bamboo. These houses are found in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Children, different materials are used to build a house. In cities, houses are made up of bricks, cement and steel. Wood and glass are used to make doors and windows. Houses in villages are made up of straw, wood, mud and stones. But nowadays, villages also have Pucca houses. Houses are made according to the climatic conditions. Houses in the area of heavy rainfall or snowfall have sloping roofs. Houses in the plain areas have flat roofs. Children, a house is a place where we feel safe and live happily with our family. How can we define a good house? A good house should be neat and clean. It should have doors and windows to enter sunlight and fresh air to come inside the house. It should have proper drainage system. So children, in this chapter we have learned that house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals and thieves. There are mainly two types of houses, Pucca houses and Kutcha houses. Houses in city are usually made up of bricks, cement and steel. Houses in village are usually made up of straw, wood, mud and stones. Houses on hills have sloping roofs. A good house should have proper ventilation, drainage system and cleanliness. Thank you children. Take care.